Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad is on a recent iPad OS and the Apple Pencil Pro has charge. This prevents unexpected disconnects. Once done, remove the pencil from its case and hold it close to the iPad to trigger the pairing prompt. Accept it. Then open the Notes app and choose or create a note so you can begin immediately. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and airplane mode is off. These small checks save time and keep the connection stable. Next, set up your drawing tools and gestures so you can work fluidly. First, tap the drawing icon in Notes and pick pen, pencil, marker, highlighter, or eraser based on the task. Adjust thickness and opacity to match your handwriting or sketch style. Then check tilt and pressure responsiveness, because tilt gives shading and pressure controls line weight. Finally, enable double tap and scribble in settings so you can switch tools, select text, and convert handwriting. To finish, adopt a simple workflow that speeds results. Sketch broadly on one layer, refine on another, and add annotations to PDFs or images without losing originals. Use the lasso to move, resize, or duplicate strokes, and export the final note as a PDF or image for sharing. If the pencil stops responding, plug it in or attach to charge, toggle Bluetooth, and restart the iPad. These steps resolve most connection problems quickly and get you back to precise writing and drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.